What do you do when you have a brand new coolant hose that does not attach to your water pipe or to the connection as a whole? Here's a tip. Get yourself a rotary tool if you don't already have one. And on my old hose, very carefully cut off this band. Careful. Your old hose, it's okay if you cut into the hose, but you have to be careful not to cut into the hose on your replacement hose. Then, once you got the bands cut off, you just take this end off of the old hose. Then you grab your brand new hose, and you will be able to just replace it just like that. All you'll have to do is get yourself a hose clamp to secure it. And just like that, you now have a replacement hose, and you are able to reuse the old quick disconnect end that originally fit the pipe it came off of. Now all you gotta do is assemble it on your vehicle. And then just simply connect it. And just like that, problem fixed.